cleaning your counters and house and it not even really being clean. The ants and the bugs are still crawling. Essential oils are amazing because they attract the pollinators while they repel the pests. I really love vinegar to clean with, and if you combine 1 part water with 1 part vinegar and whatever essential oils are really cleaning, you can have your homemade all-purpose cleaning spray. Wonderful gift. We used On Guard, which has clove, cinnamon, rosemary, eucalyptus, and orange, about 10 drops, and lemon, which is known for its cleaning. It cuts through fat and grease and other things. It's also, both of these oils are antibacterial and microbial, and so is the vinegar. So we just saved, I don't know how much money at a store, and your counters are gonna smell better too, and you could even eat it.